Hey guys, it's Aidette. Today I'm going to be showing you guys, let me close the door. Cindy's having a music party downstairs. As you guys can see, I have a full face on right now. I did something very light and natural. I think I really found my natural everyday kind of makeup look and I'm loving it. This is what it looks like. I've already worn it all day, so it might not look as fresh as it did before. If you guys want that makeup routine, let me know and I'll be more than happy to make it for you guys. But sadly, it's the end of the day. It's already 7:14 p.m. and I'm tired. I've been doing so much work today and I just cannot wait to get this makeup off. I'm gonna be showing you guys my little makeup removing routine, which is amazing. It's definitely something that I go to when I want to take off all of the gunk off my face. And I'm gonna show you guys how a night usually goes for me, kind of like a night routine for a really hard work day. So I have been using the Elemis Pro Collagen Naked Cleansing Balm. So the reason that I really like this one, not only because it takes off the makeup so effortlessly, it literally melts off your face. And a lot of the times when you use facial wipes, it tugs at your skin, which causes premature wrinkles. We don't want that. And also it leaves behind a lot of residue, and we don't want that either, because leaving on makeup overnight actually causes faster aging. I know, so a lot of those things that you guys are probably doing in your routine are just causing you to age. So get yourself a good cleansing balm. I definitely recommend this one. I'll be placing the link down below for you guys, and this is just gonna be your go-to. It's gonna be so good. The reason I really like the Naked Cleansing Balm, that I do have other options as well, is because this has no fragrance, no scent, and for someone that has sensitive skin like I do, I always am looking for something that's unscented, and this doesn't have a single drop of scent. So it's gonna be amazing, and look how pretty and satisfying it looks. It looks like a mango puree. It's just so beautiful. So I'm starting off with clean hands, of course, and the good thing that our hair is slicked back today. So I'm gonna be showing you guys. Literally just take a small little dablet. Keep in mind, guys, this is already my second pot of this stuff right here, so I showed you guys a nice clean perfect one. I dipped my fingers in it already, so this is what it looks like, but I decided to show you guys the newer one because I did want it to look a little bit more satisfying, not gonna lie. So I'm gonna have it right here on my hands, and look how this just melted off. It's gonna look insane. All already coming off. Don't be afraid to get a glob. You don't need too much for all this to just melt off your face. I'm gonna be doing my lips last because it can get a little bit sticky, but do we see all of this? Look at this mascara. I'm wearing some really good Sing mascara and it's just going to melt off. It's so good. If you guys haven't tried this out, you guys have to. It's really unbeatable. You guys are seeing the results right here firsthand. And then lastly, the lips. This looks disgusting. With the cleansing balm, you do get a rag, so I'm going to be wetting it a little bit. And look at how this all just cleanly comes off, and everything that just is left behind is crazy. I always like to just throw this in the washer with my towels, and it's brand new every time. Look, that's insane. With a makeup wipe, you really could never. There's going to be so much left over, but this is just doing it. I always like to make sure to really get in there on the hairline and also on my neck. And I even applied glue to my brows today. I'm talking lash glue onto my brows because I didn't have my brow products, so it got rid of it. As you guys can see, my brows are moving. So now that we have this, I'm going to go ahead and wash off the cloth, and then with a damp towel I'm just going to be taking off the excess that we have on our face. But really not much is really coming off since we got most of it. I wish you guys could understand the feeling that I have on my face right now. It feels so clean. So that's my little holy girl baby right here. You guys have to try her out. Now moving on to my Elemis Superfood facial wash, and this is a gel consistency, so it just feels so good. It feels super soothing. It just feels like you're at the spa, and I'm not even exaggerating when it comes down to that. So I'm going to be taking some of the gel. It does come out green. I like to take 2 pumps. You could just go ahead with 1, but I'm gonna go in, and this smells so fresh. It just feels so good. The scent is absolutely immaculate. I don't know how else to describe it to you guys. So when it says superfoods, it legitimately is filled with superfoods. So it says here on the label that it has avocado, broccoli, and kale with prebiotics to help balance the skin's natural microbiome, and it genuinely makes your skin feel super soft. It helps you glow. You guys will see in a second. I like when my cleansers get a little foamy like this because it really feels like they're cleaning in there. Sometimes I do take a brush to really scrub my face, but I've already exfoliated this morning, so I don't want to further exfoliate. But taking off any of the product. Okay, so here is the face afterwards. Do we see like how brightened my skin looks? Like it legit looks so clean and baby supple. I do have like a huge pimple going on right here. It's around that time of the month, so I'm a little annoyed. And now whenever I want to add a little extra touch, I do like to go in with my Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing facial pads, and I've always been a fan of facial pads since I could really remember. This is really when I just want to get in there and make sure that there's absolutely nothing left on my skin. So I just go all around, especially like getting up here into the scalp is a lot of the times where I miss. But this really ensures that everything is gone. But as you guys can see, there's really like not much on the pad. That just shows how amazing this cleansing balm and this facial wash truly are. I feel so soft. Like I'm so excited to jump into bed and get into some cozy pajamas. I just feel like I deserve it after this routine. And now lastly for my routine, I'm going to be taking my Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream, and this is an anti-wrinkle day cream. Although this is day cream, I like to use it at night. I like to use it whenever I even feel like putting on a cream. But as you guys can see, it looks like very beautifully whipped. Like really at all, I never really catch a scent from it, but I like to really just get like a fingertip's worth and just apply it onto my face. I always make sure to get it over my lips and on my neck, just to prevent any aging. On the occasion, I will apply an eye cream. I don't do it every night just because sometimes I get a little lazy. Let's jump into some cute pajamas and get into my night routine. Okay, so this is the little fit that we got on right now. Just a cute little velvet black fit. I'm about to order some wings and some fries. I've had a very long day and I'm gonna get thousands of packets of ranch. Today's gonna be my cheat day, so no cheat days on the weekend. Do we love? I was so close to wearing a white set, but I was like, I'm literally gonna order wings right now, and I don't want to do that to myself, especially since they're new. My Armani bun has been filming with me all day today, and he's so tired. Do we want to go outside for a walk? Do we want to go for a walk? You wanna go for a walk? I'm about to Postmate some wings, and they're hot Cheeto cheesy fries. When I tell you guys that this is like 10 billion calories, I just did a really intense leg day today, so I'm just hoping that it all goes to the booty. I'm really hoping. I usually get 10 traditional flats. I get half of their original hot and half of the garlic parmesan. I get extra buttermilk ranch, and then I also get a Coke. They're hot Cheeto fries. So I know you guys are gonna be curious, like, well, where do you get this? I get it from Bird Box. I don't try to order this often, but when I'm having like a deep craving, we have to get this today. So I decided, well, what better day to get it than with you guys, and we'll do like a little mini mukbang. So in just a second, in the meanwhile, I'm just gonna take Armani out. They deliver pretty quick, so it shouldn't be too long. Ooh, we got our food and we got some packages. Can't forget for Armani's daily walks. Oh my gosh, guys, we're back with the food. I'm literally obsessed. Hold on, let me get my little food stand. Fun fact about my food stand, or like, this is like a laptop slash like holder for whatever. I've had this since I was like 8 years old, and I have not like gotten rid of it. I know for my OGs, you guys would know that I've always been obsessed with Hello Kitty, so it's just so cute that I've been having it for so many years. First thing I got is some jalapeno poppers. These are so fire. I literally just have to take a bite of one of these for you guys. I deserved it today. We got the Coke, of course, essential. As for the wings, I think these are the wings. Oh, these are the fries. But wow, how amazing do these look? And then for the actual wings, oh my goodness. So we have 5 pieces of the original hot, 5 pieces of their garlic parmesan. I'm going to eat these up, and then I ordered 2 ranches for the side. But you guys also saw that I did get some packages, so let's open those up because I honestly love seeing what people get in the mail, so why not? I like to open up my packages immediately because sometimes there's some things that I have to post immediately. Sometimes I forget that I even ordered things, and I like to know that I have them. I did get these socks here from Sunday's Best, 4 of their nude collection colors, and I'm so excited. So I'm gonna pull them out for you guys. Hi, mommy. He smells the food. He's like, get to filming because we're gonna feast right now. Guys, these are so freaking pretty. Okay, so this is a pretty tan color, and then we have like this pumpkin spice color. There's gonna be So freaking cute. These are all so pretty. And then this is like the lightest nude color that they have. And then this one is kind of like a neutral tan color. Oh my goodness, it matches, baby. You like them? Little sticker to go along with it. My sister loves stickers, so I'm gonna give that to her. I got some new sunscreens. Very hyped for these. Always protect your skin, guys. Always, always, always. Okay, now that we have all that done, guys, we can go ahead, wind down, relax, and now we can eat. I have a very simple night routine. After a very long day, I just like to do my facial routine. I like to open up some packages. Today I didn't have too many, just a couple. And then I just like to relax, watch a movie, and eat some food. Let me know in the comments what you guys do for your nightly routine. Honestly, I don't know what my mood is tonight for my movie, but if you guys know me, you know that I actually am not a huge like movie watcher, TV watcher. It's really rare when I do. Do you guys see this man? Hello? What's up, baby? They really give me 2 forks. They said, oh, this is a 2-person meal. I think I'm gonna be watching Stuck in Love today, guys. I'm so excited. That's like one of my favorite movies. So good. We have to try wing together. So this is their garlic parmesan flats only. So yummy. Good night and sweet dreams.